Hey, I forgot to tell you, you got to take us down a dirt road about 16 miles.
Nice.
How bad was that dirt road?
Horrible.
Was it?
Horrible.
Oh yeah. This is a J-Star removal of car from the RPM Lounge Part 2. We're in the SSC Ultima, but at least we don't have to go out a dirty road this time.
Exactly.
See you down the road.
Thanks, man. Thanks for everything. Look at this bitch. Fire it up. Thanks, buddy. Once again, thanks. Here we go. Here comes our two big cars leaving. The SSC out of the RPM Lounge. Fastest production car in the world. We already took the Bugatti off. There she blows. Thank you, Elo. Next we have the Gembala. The lovely Gembala. They had to jump start it because the battery died. You never thought your towing job was going to be this glamorous, did you?
No.
Man, you kind of look good in this car. Do you want me to send this video to your girlfriend?
Sure.
Tell her what a baller you are? See what the tow truck driver gets to do? Drive out the nice car?
Absolutely stunning.
Isn't it beautiful? Doesn't that sound like unbelievably nice? For a German car, that thing sounds like, roars like an Italian car. Love this car. Thank you, Tim, at Newport Ferrari Maserati for making this happen. Appreciate it. Fire it up! You got it. Bye-bye. There she blows. 1 of 25. And here's the last one. Molly's dad's car. Steve's car, Mr. Salient himself. And here's the rest of the lounge and the crew at the inaugural RPM Lounge. Thanks for all your help, guys. Raging Bull.
Appreciate it. Thank you for having us.
Court, Lisa, Anthony, my mom Sonia, all the girls that came and worked out. These guys from Oil Rags, Sean, the man.
Thanks,
He's the man.
Thank you, Anthony. You did a phenomenal job on your whole RPM Lounge. It was a smashing success.
You helped us make it possible, bro. Look at
thank
it.
you.
We wouldn't be without you. We wouldn't have shirts and cool gear, man.
That's right.
We're gonna do many good stuff to come.
Guaranteed. See you later.
All right, bro. And here we are, finally the virtual GT, which none of us can get enough of. We want to take these home.
Now it's fun time.
Yeah. And Cordy's back on the. Oh, what car are you in? That's different. Mopar. You changed cars, huh?
Yeah, I see the hard view.
Oh, I like the hard view. All right. Well, we're signing off. I'm ready to head up to my hotel, the London Hotel in LA, and take a nice bath and a drink and relax. Peace out. Thanks for coming to the RPM Lounge at the OC Auto Show. It was a big success over 4 days. Thank you.